Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. So before we start this video, I want to thank you guys all. We actually hit 4,000 subscribers. Like, this is insane. The grind has been real, and I just want to thank you guys all for subscribing and clicking that like button. You guys are awesome. So here we have the glorious PC Gaming Race XXL Pro Gaming Mousepad in the color white. So you guys might be saying, why would you get the color white? I just wanted to get it because it's really nice, and I heard that you can put this in the washing machine and it's really easy to clean. So yeah, so here's the packaging. Let's go around to the other side. It says Ascend, glorious PC Gaming Race. So yeah, here we have is some of the the special features and whatnot. So we have like stitch edges, non-slip rubber base, smooth and low friction. You guys can read it. There you go. High quality foams. Here are the dimensions that you guys are gonna want to look at if you guys want to see the size. There is a bigger one than this, which is 3XXL, but this one is the XXL because I wanted to save a little bit in the shipping, so I want a little bit smaller. But yo, I'm telling you, this thing is a pretty big mouse pad. So here are the characteristics of the mouse pad in different languages, or in French and whatnot. It's a nice cardboard box, and get ready. So here is the white mouse pad. So that is the mouse pad. This looks like a booklet. There's another one in here with the glorious logo, and as you guys can see, that is it. Everything that is in the box. After like using it for a while, I find that like the edges, they're not stitched, right? So they come off really easily. But on the bright side, when you do get the glorious mouse pad, it's actually stitched. So since it's stitched, it makes it much harder for it to come loose, like how the Amazon one did. So that is actually a really good thing about it. This is actually a really huge mouse pad. Oh, holy! This is like literally the size of my desk. So yeah, if you guys can see, it's really big. Covers literally my entire desk if I put it on properly. But yeah. So I'm actually gonna do some tests, trying to game on it, and let's see how that goes. Alright guys, so we are going to be doing a mouse glide test. Alright, so one thing I noticed about using this mouse pad is that the new glorious mouse pad, it's so much easier to glide your mouse back and forth when playing like games and whatnot. But like, for example, if I use my old mouse pad from Amazon, like it's much, as you guys can see, it's much slower. Like it's much slower, it's harder to push around on the mouse pad. So this is the exact reason as to why I bought this mousepad, because the glorious mousepad actually allows you to, glide the mouse more efficiently and faster than most mousepads because of the materials that they use. So I really recommend that if you guys do have a choice, I would pick this up as well. Alrighty guys, so this is what it is going to look like when you put it onto your desk. So I'm just gonna have my keyboard and my mouse set up, so as you guys can see right here. But just looking at the way that it's set up, it looks really clean because of how nice the color is, because it's white. So it's gonna go in with a lot of setups. So yeah, I'm hoping to go with like a white theme for my setup. We'll see what happens. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I think it looks really awesome. Let me know what you guys think down below. as you can see, this is what the mouse pad looks like with my gaming gear on top. So as you can see, yeah, my desk is really small, so it does fit over like the edges and stuff, and like I have like my monitor mounts right here, so it is in the way. But yeah, I am gonna be buying an IKEA desk, I believe, in the next month or so, because right now it's out of stock. So I'm waiting for it to go in stock so I can go and buy one. But for now, yup, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna be using my other mouse pad for now, just until I get the other one. But you can see how nice it looks, like just the white, like it's really clean. I think I might do a cleaning video on it like in the future, so when it does get dirty I can show you guys how it would look before and after, so you guys can see, you know, if it's worth picking up or not. So yeah, without further ado guys, thank you guys all for watching. Hope you guys do enjoy, and I will see you guys all in the next video.